Close-up. Page 8. Unit 1 Family ties. Vocabulary. Height. Slim. Tall. Peter has always been very tall. He was 1.98 meters when he was 14 years old. He's also quite slim even though he eats a lot. Weigh. Overweight. Build. Annabelle and Claire have got the same build. They aren't very tall and they're both a bit overweight. Beard. Blonde. Straight. I love your son's curly blonde hair. Mine is very straight and dark. Elderly. Middle-aged. Young. Sunday was boring. We spent it with our elderly grandparents and our middle-aged parents. Hardworking. Jealous. Generous. My aunt is a very generous person. She gives money to people in need. She's also very hardworking and spends lots of time helping at the care center. Relax. Honest. Nervous. My cousin Jack is very nervous. He needs to do more exercise to help him relax. unkind, easygoing, scruffy, grandfather is very easygoing and fun-loving, and he always dresses in scruffy clothes. Lazy, clever, reliable, Jack isn't very reliable. If you ask him to do something he forgets. He's very clever though and does very well at school. Elephants. Animals of higher intelligence. Elephants are interesting animals because they are very sociable and family is important to them. They can grow to a height of over 3 meters and usually weigh about 3,800 kilos. Normally they are quite relaxed and easygoing animals, but sometimes they can get nervous when they are looking after elderly elephants. They are also quite clever and kind, and slow down and help feed young or ill members of the family group. These qualities and the fact that they are so strong and hardworking is why people want to protect them and the land they live on for the future.